Happy story time!
A Strawberry Adventure. Once upon a time, on Farmer Grant's big, colorful farm, there lived two best friends, Squeegee the Scarecrow and Bessy the Bunny. Squeegee was tall with a big, happy smile. He loved to tell funny jokes. Bessy was small and fluffy, and she was the fastest bunny in the whole wide world. Squeegee and Bessy woke early one sunny morning to a delicious smell. It was the sweet, juicy scent of strawberries. They both hopped out of their beds and raced to the strawberry field. As they reached the strawberry field, their eyes sparkled with delight. Rows and rows of bright red strawberries, ripe and ready for picking, stretched as far as they could see. It was like a sea of red jewels. Squeegee and his long and strong arms reached up high and plucked the juiciest, reddest strawberry he could find. He took a big bite and giggled. These strawberries are as sweet as candy. Bessy and her floppy bunny ears hopped around and picked strawberries faster than Squeegee. She didn't eat them. Instead, Bessy collected them in a big basket. "I'm going to make a strawberry surprise for us, Squeegee," she said. They worked together, Squeegee picking and munching strawberries while Bessy gathered them in the basket. The sun shone warmly, and the birds sang a happy song as they worked. After a while, Bessy had collected a big pile of strawberries. "Okay, Squeegee, close your eyes," Bessy said. Squeegee closed his button eyes tightly, and Bessy hopped around, mixing the strawberries with some honey from the farm's beehive. When Squeegee opened his eyes, he saw the most delicious sight. Bessy had made strawberry pancakes. They were soft, fluffy, and smelled heavenly. They sat under a big, shady tree on the soft, green grass and ate the strawberry pancakes. Squeegee's tummy rumbled, yet laughed. "Bessy, you're not just the fastest bunny, but are the best cook too." Bessy blushed, and they both enjoyed their delicious strawberry pancakes together. They were the happiest friends on the farm. And so, with full tummies and big smiles, Squeegee the Scarecrow and Bessy the Bunny enjoyed their strawberry adventure on Farmer Grant's farm. The sweet taste of strawberries and the warm sun made it a day they would never forget. The end.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.